So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to destroy a 28 years gaming series. So I just saw this post on the Twitter. A British adventurer Lara Croft, aka Tomb Raider, will transition from being a raider of tombs to a seeker of truth as Evil Hat Production and Crystal Dynamics seek to redefine the Tomb Raider series in order to escape its colonial past. So agree to disagree. So the Tomb Raider is already 28 years. So the specialization of this game is a find the artifact, a not a colonialization or seeker of the truth. Is not like that. So let's open this article headlines tomb raider chronicles.com. This one, Tomb Raider Chronicle, a since 2000 Tomb Raider series to escape its colonial past. Let's see. British adventurer Lara Croft will transition from being Raider of Tombs of Seeker, blah blah blah, according to an excerpt from official Tomb Raider Shadow of Truth RPG rulebook. So later games released in the franchise have started to work of addressing this by having Lara Croft acknowledge her past mistake and try to understand, show respect for the cultural community she comes in contact with. So let's see this one. In this game, we seek to continue in that work alongside Crystal Dynamics by creating a sandbox for you to tell the story that address colonialist themes in play and create your own stories of respect, support for the people and culture you seek to encounter. So I think it's not good enough because Lara Croft no longer decorates her mantle with mythic artifact as a writer, she prioritizes seeking out of the truth. So much of this game is inspired by her humanity, struggle with heroism, and her tenacity. So I think you can change. Not the Lara Croft is not Tomb Raider anymore. So it's I think you should change the name. Maybe just Lara Croft Games or Lara Croft New Arc or New Saga. I just don't bring Tomb Raider name anymore or Tomb Raider Chronicles because this Tomb Raider name is essential, is special from for I played this Tomb Raider since a child, so it's very good game if you are looking for artifact or looking for like a treasure, like raiding the tomb, raiding the ancient ruins. But this is destroy 28 year game series, I think. So I agree to disagree. So please comment and don't forget to give you opinion about this change. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so the next button below. See you in the next video.